OKX referral code. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be going over the best OKX referral code that you can find. And all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description to automatically activate the referral code right here. And the reason why this is going to be the best OKX referral code is because, as you'll notice right here, because we have the referral code right here applied, which is going to be this referral code right here, you actually get a commission kickback rate at, as you can see right here, of 10%. Now, typically when you sign up for people's OKX referral code, there won't be any like indication of any commission kickback rate, because most people don't offer a commission kickback rate because they just want to hog up all the commissions. So the reason why with this particular referral code that you actually get an amazing deal is because you get a commission kickback rate of 10%. Plus, obviously, you get a mystery box as well, you know, and a whole bunch of other different things. But yeah, again, the whole point of getting like a referral code is to get benefits, and this right here is going to get you an amazing benefits right here, as you can see. So again, this is going to be the best referral code. So all you have to do to get this special referral code and to make sure it's automatically applied is click the top link down below in the video description, as you can see right here on screen. So once you go ahead and do that, you can create your account. So you can either create your account via phone, via email. You want to make sure the referral code is obviously attached as well, which will be automatically applied when you go through the link down below. You can also sign up through Google, through Apple, Telegram. So it's quite easy to create an account. And once you go ahead and create an account, you can obviously enjoy your commission kickback rates and, you know, get started with OKX as well. So in terms of OKX, you know, there's obviously you can purchase crypto, you can discover their markets. There's obviously lots of different things you can do in terms of trading. So you can, you know, do conversions, so quick convert, basic trading in terms of like spot, simple options, margin trading as well. Just obviously futures, options, all that type of stuff. Trading bots, copy trading, a bunch of different things right here. So if we go over here to trade, and let's just go over to spot, you can see right here that this is what it's going to look like inside of OKX in terms of like their graphs and the exchange itself. So as you can see, you can obviously trade a bunch of different cryptocurrencies right here on the left. You can see the order books, so the pricing, what's been sold, what's been purchased. You can see everything right here is happening on screen. So this is obviously going to be the trading view. You can go switch to the original if you want the original view. Trading view, if you want the this particular view, you can obviously go ahead and choose this one as well. So it's all there for you. You can obviously go ahead and change, like zoom in a little bit, so you can change, like, you know, the different like lines and times right here, the overview right here. So yeah, it obviously gives you like more data at the above of the trading view as well. So yeah, there's plenty of information and plenty of things you can do inside of OKX. So you can place limit market orders, all that type of stuff. I mean, it's all pretty standard stuff for like any exchange really, but more or less I just want to quickly show you like what's inside and just go over a bit of a tutorial and overview as well in today's OKX referral code video. So that's basically it for today's OKX referral code video. All you have to do to get the best OKX referral code is to click the top link down below in the video description. You'll come to a page that looks like this, and you can get the best referral code right here as well. And of course, you'll be able to get your commission kickback rate of 10%, which again, not many referral codes, if any at all, offer this. So I really wanted to emphasize that so you don't actually miss out on this special referral code offer. And of course, you get a bunch of different bonuses as well. So you create an OKX account and you receive a mystery box from the app as well, which is a nice little bonus. So again, you can access all this through the link down below in the video description. And yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video going over the OKX referral code and the best one available. If you did find value in today's video and you are going to be using this referral code, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching my OKX referral code video.